A very fine good afternoon to everyone present here. So, I hope you have watched from lecture 1 to lecture 24. Today, we are going to discuss about the model comparison. Okay, so if you have not seen from lecture 1 to 24, you should definitely go and watch it. It will help you in your semester examination, in your placements, in your interviews. It will really help you. So, definitely go and watch it. And coming to the next part, that is, we are going to compare the model. So, just a recap kind of thing. This session will be kind of recap. So, linear regression is used for regression problem and it finds the best fit line, but it only works well with the linear data. Similarly, we have logistic regression. It is used for classifications and works using probabilities and the sigmoid function, as we have discussed earlier. It is simple and easy to use but limited in handling complex pattern. Then we have k nearest neighbor. It is a distance based algorithm that works for both classification and regression. It is simple, but it becomes slow when the data set is very large. Then we have decision tree, uses rules and conditions to make decision. They are easy to understand, but they can overfit the data. Okay, then we have random forest. Okay, it improves the decision tree by combining multiple trees. This makes it more accurate but also less interpretable. Then we have support vector machine. Okay, so support vector machine finds the best boundary by maximizing the margin between the classes. Okay, so it is powerful but can be slowed and requires careful tuning. And last we had Naive Bayes is a probability based algorithm. Okay, it is fast and works well for text data, but it assumes that features are independent. So each algorithm has its own strength and limitation. There is no single best algorithm. The best choice always depend on problem and the data. The best model is the one that fits your data, not the one that is most complex. Always remember that. If you have a huge data set, which model will you choose? Okay, you have to decide that. So please go through all the videos so that you can understand the basic algorithms in a very good way. And this was the only lecture. Okay, I know this is a small lecture, but comparison is also important so that you can understand in a better way. Thank you to all of you for watching the video, and I'm really grateful to all of you for coming till this part of the video. Thank you so much.